Hi students, welcome to Physics Truth Loka channel. In the last class, we learned a solution for the problem given in JEE Advanced 2021 related to projectile motion. And the same problem, we can learn it or we can solve it very easily by using the concept of center of mass. Today we shall discuss a very easier way to solve that problem. In fact, we can say this will become the speed solution. In the exam hall, if we apply this method, very easily we can solve the problem within 1 minute. Let us see that solution. See here, already problem once again I will like to recall, or my previous video. Those who didn't watch, please watch my previous video. This lengthier solution will be explained there in detail, and today we shall see that shortcut method. See this, there is a particle of mass 2m which is projected at an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal with an initial velocity 5 root 2 meter per second. At its highest point, it splits up into two equal fragments of masses m and m, and it is required to find out what is at which point the second fragment will land on the ground, and also find out the time taken by the second fragment to reach to the ground. So in the linear way, we find out the total distance covered. Second fragment will land at a distance of 5 meter from the from this point. From the point of position, the total distance covered by the second fragment is 7.5 meter. This we already solved in my previous video by using or in detailed explanation by using linear method. Now we shall discuss the same problem, and we can solve the same problem by using shortcut method. So in this shortcut method, we will apply the concept of center of mass. We will use the concept of center of mass and we will solve the problem within fraction of seconds. See, actually this is the point of projection, and this is the highest point, and I am drawing only along horizontal direction. This is r by 2, and this r by 2 we got as 2.5 meter. And see, from here onwards, see, actually particle is projected with an initial velocity u is equal to 5 root 2 meter per second. It follows some parabolic path. At its highest point, it splits up into two fragments. One fragment falls vertically downwards freely and lands here. Second fragment with a velocity of 10 meter per second, it lands suppose here. But since there is no external force acting along horizontal direction, the center of mass path remains conserved. The center of mass will follow the same path as if there is no collision, as if there is no explosion or splitting. So that means actually the center of mass of these two particle system is here, and this is m mass and this is also m mass, and we know that this is r by 2 means this distance is also r by 2, and this is equals to 2.5 meter. For two equal masses are there, so center of mass always lies at its midpoint, so we can say this distance is also equals to 2.5. So second particle, now we can say very easily from the point of position to the point where the second particle after splitting lands, the total distance is given by, so suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Total distance is the 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So the second particle covered a total distance equals to AT, which is equals to AB plus BC plus CD, which is equals to 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 meter, which is equals to 7.5 meters. So very easily we can solve by using the concept of center of mass here. Center of mass will follow the same path. Also we can still we can extend very easily. This is if the particle masses are not equal also, we can use the concept of center of mass and we can solve. That is m1 x1 plus equals to m2 x2. That is moment of masses about the center of mass should be equals to 0. So like that also we can say. And also the time also we can find. It is given in the problem, the first particle takes a time t equals to 0.5 seconds to land onto the ground. Since both follow the same vertical height, the second particle also along the it takes the same time to reach to the ground. So the time also 0.5 seconds taken by the second particle, second fragment. So like this, very easily within fraction of seconds we can solve the problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe by yours PV Rao sir. Thank you very much. We shall meet in our next video with one more with one more clear solution. Thank you.